Let's take a look at some key updates for the 2022 and 2021 model years of the Lexus RC in 60 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! You'll see changes in packaging, color options, some performance updates for the RC300 rear-wheel drive. Now maximum horsepower is reached at 5,200 RPMs. Adaptive control added to the transmission automatically selects the best gear. RCF Sport models, the active sound control feature has clearer, more powerful sound. Fuel economy has been increased for the RC300 and 350. The fuel tank capacity has been increased from 17.4 gallons to 17.5. Heated electrochromic side view mirrors, blind spot monitor, and rear cross traffic alert are now standard equipment. Dynamic radar cruise control has been updated from high speed only to all-speed radar cruise control. The electronic parking brake, it has an automatic feature and the brake hold functionality, and the footwell pedal has been removed. For more information about all the buttons, bells, and whistles on the Lexus RC, make sure to check out our deep dive full tutorial. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.